Here's a little low-cost cook set I put together. I've used it a few times and it works great. It's just a lighter, little eBay stove here. This one was about $10. Just got one hand here, so it's kind of hard to do. Anyways, and there's a fuel can, and this is the Ozark Trail cup that's similar to the GSI cup. So that's actually the whole cook set right there. And let's see if I can get this with one hand. Yeah. There it is. So it's pretty light, and total for this cook set's probably around $20, including the lighter and the fuel. Compared to the MSR Pocket Rocket, I mean, it's not as good, but Pocket Rocket's also about 4 times the cost. So there's the stove, and then that's pretty much how it works right there. That's the whole cook set for around $20. And it's pretty light. That's really all you need. I'll show some of my other cook sets in the future, so subscribe so you can see them. Thanks for watching.